Alright, we're into August and we have cantaloupe seedlings here and an entire row of cantaloupe seedlings, about 40-foot rows. Tomato plants. Some of the plants look rather sad, but they're putting on red tomatoes, or the tomatoes are finally turning red. More cantaloupe seedlings. A couple of pretty good sized tomatoes. This is a big one. That's Cherokee purple. We'll see if he turns purple if I have to pick him before it does. But a few of the tomato plants look happy. Nice new tall growth on there. It flooded sometime in the last 3 days. Got another Roma ripening. And cantaloupe plants. There's a row of beans, bush beans. Here, my basil plant's getting big. I just picked a bunch off of it yesterday. My other one I picked a little off of. I think I got one plant. Seems to be giving me little cherry pear-shaped tomatoes. This row here is my Turk's Turban squash all the way down. And then I have 2 rows of cucumber plants and 2 rows of corn. Actually 3 wide on this road and 2 wide on this road, so 5 rows of corn. We have about 90 days till frost, and it says it takes 75 days. We'll see if it's true. This is watermelon seeds I planted out yesterday. This will be okra seed planted probably tomorrow. And we still have some squash plants there. Up here. Lots of lovely squash plants. I picked about a dozen yesterday. We got some right there big enough I could pick them tonight. I'll let them grow another day though. My zipper sweet peas. I picked about 2 gallons of dried peas yesterday in the pods. And I'll pick some more. I'll give them another day. Some more will be dried out and ready to pick. Over here I weeded around my radishes and picked some radish last night. Here I have another row of green beans. They should start flowering sometime soon. And another row of tomatoes between there and my squash plants. These are Rutgers planted from seed. All still green. My acorn squash either didn't like the heat or didn't like the 5 inches of rain. But there is some squash there. Maybe it'll grow a bit more. And T-post for staking up the tomatoes. So, that's the garden today.